In this video, I will show you how to find the longest word in a string using basic JavaScript algorithmic scripting. So in other words, we will go through each word in each string and figure out which word in each string is the longest and return not the word but how many characters it has. So we're going to start with, you clear this, I'm going to start with the keyword function, and then our function is going to be called find longest word, and then with variable string open close parentheses, I'm going to have a variable called words, and we're going to set words equal to string dot keyword function split. Okay, each word has space around it, so we're going to split the string based upon the empty spaces so we can count each variable, each character in each word. I have another variable called max length, so we can find the max length of the longest word. We're going to initialize it to 0, and we're going to have a for loop with variable I initialized to 0, and I is going to be less than the length of a word, and it's going to be incremented by 1. I count each character one by one, and then if the length of a word is less than, if a length of a word is actually greater than the max length, or in other words, if it's greater than 0, or if it is not a empty space, close parentheses, then we're going to set max length set equal to words dot length, and then right underneath the for loop, we're going to return max length so we can get the max length of the longest word. And then we're going to console.log, and then copy this, copy this string. Actually, first I'm going to copy this twice. Alright, I'm going to copy this string, paste it in here. I'm going to copy this string here, paste it in here, and then I'm going to run it. And for the first console log, we get 6 because in this line, jumped is the longest word because it has 6 characters, and the other words either have 3, 4, or 5. And in this string here, this word is the longest, obviously. It has 19 characters. And these other words in the string has nowhere near as many characters as this long, big word here. So which is why we get 19 here. This is just a basic solution, but I'm going to show you other ways how you can make a script that can return you the same result.